Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys Tips and Tricks video. This week we are going to talk about what happens when we make changes to our bill of material to the manufacturing orders that have used an earlier version of that bill of material. How can we update the manufacturing order? So let's go to production and create a manufacturing order for maybe intermediate 2001. Let's select location one and let's just make 960 pounds of this. It is automatically asking us whether we want to use a bill of material. And we say yes, and we use revision 0. It populates our material tab with all the required quantities based on the bill of material. And we save this manufacturing order. Now, as long as this manufacturing order is not released, it is possible to make changes to this manufacturing order by using the Copy BOM button. When we select Copy BOM, it once again allows us to select a bill of material and gives us the options from to choose from all the available bill of materials in the system. I had chosen revision 0 for intermediate 2001, so that's why it's selected. But if I wanted to move this to revision 1, then I can select that and confirm and actually overwrite instead of appending. And my materials, you see, one has gone. That was the sugar. So this maybe is the sugar-free way of making the product. The same applies if we were to make small changes to the same revision that was used in the manufacturing order, but we didn't save it as a new revision number. Rather, just made the changes to the bill of material. We can still use the copy BOM button and select that revision and move on from there. That is due to the fact that any revisions that are made to any changes that are made to the bill of material revision after the MO is created do not automatically get updated on the manufacturing order material detail. You actually need to come and copy the BOM to bring in the newly edited information. So I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively.